Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Nintendo DS. So I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Nintendo Switch, I'm going to begin with the sides. I'll start right here. We're just going to draw a straight line down. We want to leave some space and we will make another straight line down over here. Once you have your two straight lines, we want to connect the top and the bottom. We'll begin by making a line that comes across here, and we'll make another line that comes across here. Next, I'm going to redraw this line. I'm going to make it just a little bit taller on the top and bottom. I also want to do the same thing to this side. Starting here, we want to draw a line that's going to go out, and we also want to do the same thing here. After you draw it out, you want to curve it and bring this line straight down, then curve it to here to connect. You could also do this. You can draw a line that's going to come out, you can curve it down, bring it straight down, then curve it right to here. Now, inside of here, we want to make another rectangle shape. I'll begin by drawing a line that comes down. We'll also do that same line over here. Once again, we just want to connect the top and the bottom for the little screen. Now I want to add some details to our little Nintendo Switch. Let's begin by making a line that comes up here, and it's going to go out over here. I'll also do the same thing up here. Let's go up just a little bit, and we can come out just a little bit. I want to connect these lines with the same shape of this curve. So I'm just going to come across, and we'll curve down and connect. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go across, and we'll come down to connect. Now, starting over here, we want to add some of the different little details. First, right here, I'm going to add a circle. Then we'll add another smaller circle right here. Up here, we're going to make 4 circles in like a plus sign shape. So I'll add a circle here, one underneath it. We'll add another circle over here, and one more right here. Next, up here, we're going to add a bigger circle. Then we'll add our little plus sign of circles down here. We'll add one here, one right here. I'll make one here, and one over here. Then we'll add a little small circle down here. Right up here, we want to add a little plus sign and a little negative sign over here. Right up here, I'm going to add just a little line that goes up, over, and then down. Now, once you have your Nintendo Switch drawn, you can put whatever you want to on the screen. I'm just gonna add just a quick little face on here, but you could put anything you want to on here. You can draw your favorite video game character, whatever. When I make my face, I'm just going to begin by drawing a circle with another circle over here. I'll add a black dot inside each one for the pupil. Make a line that comes across. And a big smiley face shape. With a little sad face for the tongue. I'll add a couple little bumps in here for some teeth. And I'll add a line above each one for an eyebrow. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Nintendo Switch. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.